Security dealers, what if your security and smart home panel was more than that? What if it wasn't a traditional security panel at all, but an entire ecosystem dedicated to your success? What if that ecosystem included a fully integrated backend platform to help you manage your projects and your staff, handling everything from setting up a customer, to provisioning the panel, to selecting your central station, to troubleshooting any issues that might arise? Meet ClareOne. One app delivering an exceptional customer experience. One panel with fully encrypted sensors for peace of mind, and hundreds of custom drivers to connect seamlessly with the brands your customers trust. And one platform to make installations faster and give you more visibility and control. And of course, one low pricing structure to reduce your operating expenses. 1 + 1 + 1 equals ClareOne. Dedicated to your success.